comprehensive cell phone repair program. We are kind of amongst the 5 ones in total US who does it in a very comprehensive way. We are accredited by Department of State Texas Workforce Commission and Education Board, and we teach you in a way that you can either open up your own shop, you can work in a kiosk for someone starting at maybe close to $0 investment, or work for someone. You know, cell phones is booming, right? Every 3 months there is a new model coming. Now it's coming every 1 month actually, but people tend to break their screens a lot of time. How many times have you broken your screen? So that's like about $70 to $80 replacement. And how much is the cost? It's just $20. So you made $60 an hour, and even that did not took you an hour. That took you just 20 minutes to quickly replace it. So we teach it's an 8-week course, only 5 students a class, so it's hands-on conducive. We teach you and we give you an advanced repair toolkit which you keep after the training is done. 4 weeks is spent on Apple phones and tablets, so all the phones from old to the new ranges. We also give you phones to work on. It's not that you just see PowerPoint presentations and you see, hey, how this is the phone it's worked on. No, you actually learn by doing it. And the rest of the 4 weeks you work on Samsung Android phones and tablets. So you learn pretty much everything: phone replacement, gadget replacement, speaker, water damage issues, soldering, desoldering, changing the phone carrier, unlocking the phone carrier, screen replacements. You know, we don't teach micro soldering because at this price, which is a very discounted one, we cannot teach micro soldering. It's being taught at one of the Apple companies which charges $15,000. So don't expect us to cover micro soldering in this course. It's very advanced. Even customers are not willing to pay for that expensive service. Okay, so but we teach you, we showcase you what's micro soldering, but we get into details of soldering, desoldering. You'll do this stuff with yourself. And 80% of the students which we see now have their own kiosks or repair shops, and that is a very easy way of doing it. We also show you where to buy the parts from here in China, saving money. And then the second, it's a $0 investment business. So you see around malls and shopping plazas, 80% people are selling accessories and eating each other profits. So if you are a certified technician backed by state certificate from us, you can go there, you can give a proposition which we teach to our students that, hey, you know, I'm a certified technician. Why don't you start repairing the phones? And whatever we do, we'll do 50-50. I will not pay any rent. Trust me, this is something which has put a lot of entrepreneurs into action. And now our students are all across Texas, United States. If you see, we have made different kind of 400, 500 people have opened their shops in the last 5 years. So this is a booming profession still. And we're trying to bring in drone repair technology as an advanced level after some time. So talk to counselors and see if we have space, because we only enrolled 5 students in a batch. Okay, hope it makes